Standard 9, Subject English, Composition, Topic Expansion of Idea, Proverb Where there is a will, there is a way. Now, students, today we are going to learn this topic where there is a will, there is a way. This means that if someone is determined to do something, he will definitely find a way to accomplish his goals, even if the obstacles are on his way. There is no use of sitting and pondering on what could have been. One must take up responsibility and start working towards a betterment of oneself. We will never be successful in life if we back up from problematic situations. Every single situation must be dealt with firm resolution and must be worked on in order to gain positive results. It is rightly said that a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. No matter how dark or impossible the work is, but if one desires and tries, nothing is impossible. We all of us should wish to achieve many things in life, but we may not succeed. When this happens, that we tend to blame our luck or circumstances or our fate, we do not realize that fault lies within us. Every student thinks that getting a high score in examination is beyond his or her capacity. But if a student resolves firmly to achieve his or her goals and work towards it sincerely and wholeheartedly, he or she is certain to achieve success. If one comes across any obstacle and can't climb over it, one must walk around it. So that is why we always say that we have to establish our career, our goals, need to have aspirations in our life. Everybody desires success, but few attain it. One of the reasons is that most people are lacking in strength of will. A weak-minded person is frightened away by the initial difficulties and gives up the attempt in despair. We must also keep in mind that for those things which are difficult to achieve, we have to work very hard and continuously. If, however, a man faces difficulties bravely, they will prove to be really not as serious as they seem to be, but he will be able to overcome them and succeed in the end of reaching towards the goals. So, if one way should fail, we may take the another and continue it till the end. We should take failures positively because it makes us stronger and teaches us that we are doing something in the wrong direction. In fact, nothing is impossible to a man, and the main thing is necessary for success is firm determination and strength. Different people have different objectives in life. It may range from career in administration, career in medicine, law, management, or to entrepreneurship. We have all heard and probably used countless times. Even you know the example of injured athlete who not only competes and finishes but who actually wins the race, or the loving parents who have risked his own life to pull the child from the clutches of death, or ambitious young adult who stops at nothing to get into the particular school, to secure a particular job, to achieve certain goals in life. Different people have different imaginations. They are creatives. You know the story about the thirsty crow, where a crow determined to quench its thirst but finds a way by putting pebbles in the pot and drinks the water. So as you know, Mahatma Gandhi, who was strong and ethically convinced will to make India free, despite of all odd and apparent failures, which sometimes made his idea of liberating India from the yoke of British imperialism. But later on, he made it successful. In the same way, Martin Luther and few others brought about the radical changes in USA. Even Nelson Mandela fought against racial discrimination in South Africa. Even the handicapped can achieve the success if they have strong willpower and determination. Helen Keller, who was both blind and deaf, she became an educator of blind. Louis Braille, who introduced Braille script for them. Thus, a person of strong willpower can overcome any physical disabilities in pursuit of his goal. Success is not restricted to few, it can be achieved by anyone who dares to go for it. One should always be having positive approach towards the life. There are many who experience despair, failure and defeat. But life teaches us lots. It is a spirit which has enabled man to climb the peaks like Mount Everest. He explored space and landed on the moon. Impossible is a word in a dictionary of fools. Even Napoleon the Great is said to have declared. It is good to remember this, that when we feel like giving up. Similarly, there have been major milestones in the field of medicine and technology. We'll have power to turn scars to stars. So we need to understand these great technologies and to see that we make every impossible to possible. Thank you.